Hey guys, make sure that you watch this video before you spend a single dollar on Facebook ads because I'm going to be going off a little bit on a serious rant. Seriously, these are tangents that every single person needs to hear before they run Facebook ads. So we're going to cue that intro, and while that intro is playing, comment below and let me know what industry is your business in. And then let's cue that intro and dive on into my crazy rant about Facebook ads. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and marketing expert. I am absolutely obsessed with marketing and I am obsessed with Facebook ads. I have spent the last 6 years obsessing over how to grow businesses, scale businesses, ultimately become profitable. So we're gonna dive on in today as I have a few important rants about Facebook ads because I see so many people having all of these crazy beliefs about Facebook ads, and we've had some great success in Facebook ads. Basically, we have worked with small businesses, we've worked with brick and mortar businesses, we've worked with courses, coaches, physical products, international companies, we've worked with movies, influencers, actors, we've even worked with pet contraceptives, and we've had success in a lot of different industries, but we have to dive into some of the misconceptions and false beliefs that people have about Facebook ads because these are straight up keeping people from having success. Now, the very first one that I want to share with you guys is that Facebook ads cannot fix your business. And I'm actually being dead serious about that. Now, is there the occasional person who says like, I was failing in my business and then I found Facebook ads and magically everything worked and now I'm a multimillionaire? Yeah, maybe. But there are also people who say like, my whole life was falling apart and then I entered the lottery and I won and now my whole life looks different. So while there are some people whose businesses were made or broken by Facebook ads, they are not something that is intended to fix your business. In fact, Facebook ads are simply put an accelerant, meaning whatever is currently going on with your business, whether you have breakdowns in communication, your products maybe aren't great, your delivery is off, or maybe people just aren't interested in the way that you're marketing your products, Facebook ads are going to make that happen faster, meaning you're basically buying data when you first start running Facebook ads. So if you do not have success in your business right now and you think that Facebook ads are going to be the thing that make that success happen, it's not going to work. Now you're just going to have spent more money and still have the same problems in your business. So keep that in mind. Facebook ads can't fix your business. Number 2, spend on Facebook ads like they're lottery tickets. Wait, what? Did I really just say that? If you wanted to win the lottery, would you go to the bank and ask for a $250,000 loan and buy 250,000 lottery tickets? Well, some people have done this. It's an incredibly risky strategy. You would never in a million years do that, right? Most, at least logical people, wouldn't. Most people would buy maybe $1, $5, or $10 worth of lottery tickets and hope that something works. Now, here's the thing. I've seen people do this exact strategy with Facebook ads. They'll go out and take out a $50,000 loan or remortgage their house, second mortgage their home in order to have money for Facebook ads when they don't even know if it's going to work yet. You need to treat Facebook ads kind of like what they are until you have a system for success that is lottery tickets. You're probably not going to get results when you first start running them, but through time, trial, error, testing, etc., you could start to see some success with Facebook ads that can radically transform your business. But please do not go into debt to pay for Facebook ads if you don't currently have a track record for success. Number 3, if you need to run Facebook ads urgently and suddenly, you failed to plan. Yes, I'm saying that. I see so many people, especially going into Q4, being like, I need to run Facebook ads right now. And I'm like, okay, is that because you have bills coming up now in your business? Is there some unexpected thing that you have to pay for? The truth of the matter is Facebook ads should never be an urgent thing. They should be thought out because they take time, they're expensive, and when they're done well and right, they can be really awesome and powerful and successful. In fact, if you don't believe me, check out this video right here where I talk about the success that we've had with our clients in Facebook ads and how Facebook Facebook ads are actually not a scam. Yes, people really believe that. But here's the thing. If you ever are in a place where you really need to like make something happen, you're like, I need these ads to work out. I need this to happen. It's because you haven't spent the time planting seeds for long enough in your organic markets, in your audience, in building relationships with your customers or your audience. Like, you haven't put in the time in order to reap a beautiful harvest. So anytime that someone says to me like, I need to run Facebook ads now, I know that this is not going to be a good partnership, because truth be told, that person likely doesn't plan in their business. And that is kind of a scary thing as a marketer. Now, if you guys are liking this so far, yes, I'm a little ranty today. I'm very passionate about Facebook ads because I know how well they can work. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and comment below and let me know if you're learning something that you're excited to either implement or share with someone else, or maybe this is gonna actually save you a lot of money from spending money on Facebook ads before you're ready. And let's dive on in to number 4. Focus on organic methods to plant seeds for a later harvest before you run Facebook ads. And I know a lot of people say, but organic social media takes so long. Yeah, you're totally right. But the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time to plant a tree is today. I've been growing on organic social for years. In fact, we have over 1.1 million combined followers across all social media. And I'm just going to straight up say that did not happen overnight. 1 year ago, I had like 330,000 followers combined across all platforms. So I'm grateful every day for the time that I spent 6 years ago, 5 years ago, 4 years ago, and even last week in planting seeds of that organic audience. Focus on organic methods first, because A, those are going to lead to more profitable results, but B, you learn a lot about marketing with organic marketing, which is why I'm so passionate about it. And point number 5, this is like a hard stop right here. You need an offer that converts. And I'm not just saying like, oh, I think it converts. I'm talking like rock solid certainty, meaning if 100 people hit your digital sales funnel, at least 1 to 5 of those people purchase with a trackable conversion record, meaning you can see that the people who visited purchased, not wished, not hoped, not added it to their cart and walked away. You need to have somewhere between a 1 and a 5% conversion rate, because most of that's going to come from your warm audiences. Then when you start running cold traffic to it, generally speaking, your conversion rate is going to dip a little bit. So I like to shoot for 2 to 5% conversion rates on my offers before we run Facebook ads to them. Otherwise, it requires a lot more testing, studying, trying new copy, split testing the funnels, and even repackaging some of our offers all together. Now, if you've been enjoying this video, comment below and let me know which of these things have been the most helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and check out the bio beneath this video, because we put together a ton of awesome and free resources, including one super confidential announcement, which you can find at www.confidentialannouncement.com. Here's a hint, it's related to Facebook ads, and the password is your email. So go check it out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Hold on, I gotta start that over again. Who's Henry? Is Henry? Oh, okay. I saw Henry back off and I was like, uh-oh, what's Henry saying? I am very happily married. So happily married. Thank you so much. I'm honored, but nope.